how you can teach animals to your kids and how you can play games. So let's start. Farms animals. First you show them picture here, and then you ask them what sound is this, and they also can watch this picture, and after that you can play the sound.
Dog.
Then you go to the next one, play next picture, and then sound.
Pig. Cat. Mouse. Chicken.
This way you can play one by one.
Duck.
You also can edit these PPT according to your lesson.
Sheep. Goat. Sheep. Cow. Horse.
And after they learn all the animals' name, then you can ask them the question.
What's your favorite animal? What's your favorite animal? I like cats. I like cats.
Sorry. And then how to ask the question, do you like cats?
Do you like cats? Yes, I do. Do you like pigs? No, I don't.
And the next part is listen to the sound and guess. Okay, so you just play the sound and let them guess what is it. Okay, which animal is it? And then you ask your kids, yeah, what sound is it? What is it? And then you just click here and see, is it true or false? And then next. That's it, friends. I hope you like this game, this PPT. If you like this PPT, send me your email in the comment box. I will send you completely free. And please like and subscribe my channel. For more video, please press the bell button. Thanks for watching.